30 designers, 3 days, endless inspiration. 3 times a year, January, May, and September, I invite people like yourselves, creatives, sewists, and designers to come and join me in my 3-day design challenge. And in this video, we're going to walk down memory lane as I share some previous creative briefs with you and the amazing transformations that challenge participants have had over the years, turning original ideas into high-end fashion concepts. For many of them, this was the first time in doing so. The results are powerful, the techniques are simple, and I cannot wait for you to join us on the journey. The 3-day design challenge has been running since 2021, and watching these transformations never gets old. We're starting with Nicola's work from February 21's brief, Design a Look Inspired by What You Wanted to Be When You Were Little. She chose lawyer and brilliantly connected this to Ali McBeal's surreal world. You can see how her mood board dramatically improved after our first workshop on answering the creative brief. This supportive feedback approach is what makes the challenge so powerful. Louisa took a completely different approach, inspired by being a sweet shop owner. The beauty of these briefs is seeing how uniquely each designer interprets the same starting point. Here's Helen's response to March's brief, Design a Dress Inspired by a Particular Sport. Back then, we ran these monthly, which is wild. Now, I host them 3 times a year to align to my Create, Cut, Contour, Construct framework. Helen chose swimming, drawing inspiration from pool architecture and those charming 3-dimensional swimming caps that reminded her of origami. Such thoughtful connections. Siobhan was inspired by shooting. Look at all those development sketches. You can really see her creative process unfolding. And Wendy chose cycling as her starting point. Completely different interpretation, equally valid. Emma's ballet-inspired work shows how sport can translate into elegant fashion concepts. And this is Muriel. She's a fashion design student who first joined us in May 2021 for our streetwear brief inspired by literature. She's been a member ever since. Her Alice in Wonderland interpretation was stunning, and she actually said that our content was better than what she was learning in her degree at the time. Watch how her mood board improves with feedback, and by the end, she's experimenting with new visual communication styles after working through my scale and proportion techniques. Dorothy tackled 1984, and notice how all our designers create fashionable, wearable results, never literal translations or costumes. Amy was actually one of our winners with a Harry Potter inspired design, absolutely deserved, I think you'll agree. And here's Phoebe's work from July 2023. Design one summer look inspired by an event in your 2023 calendar that reinvents a wardrobe basic. Our October 2023 brief proved incredibly popular. They were designing an autumnal look inspired by one of the 5 senses. And what I love about this brief in particular is how, even with just 5 possible starting points, every designer created something completely unique to their voice, starting with Kate's interpretation here. A quick glimpse of Angela, Jude, and Jessica's takes on the same brief. See how different they all are. I love it. From one popular brief to another, January 2024 asked designers to create a look inspired by their horoscope, incorporating Pantone's colour of the year, 𝘁𝗶𝗍. This is Michelle's Cancer-inspired design. Her cohesive mood board from the start led to such a strong, clear idea with distinctive designer voice. Kim explored her Libra horoscope. This clip is from our prize winner presentation where I gave final creative feedback while announcing the winners. Over the years, we've had amazing prize sponsors, including fabric companies, pattern businesses, and sewing tool brands who've supported our creative community. Stephanie is now a long-standing DPL Atelier member, and this Aries-inspired work really introduced me to her playful, joyous design style. I still smile seeing this lineup. The ideas are just so fun. April 2024's brief, sketch one formal look with a matching accessory inspired by flora and fauna. Nicole was inspired by dark forests. You'll notice the visual communication skills really progressing from this point. Eleni, for example, chose mushrooms and perfectly demonstrated the power of our scale and proportion workshop. Her strong mood board carried beautifully through her entire design process. Lindsay actually started with a completely different mood board, but pivoted after the first workshop. She listened to the feedback while staying true to her designer voice and went on to win April's challenge, earning herself a complimentary premium 𝗿𝗲𝗍𝗍 membership. July 2024 brought an unusual brief as we started our jeans framework cycle. They were to design one denim look inspired by a culinary dish. Helen's answer was vine-wrapped rice. You'd never guess from her refined design. And if you're wondering how these connections work, why not join the next challenge and find out? Click the link down below. Children's wear designer Karen was inspired by tiramisu. I love the layering in her jean concept. We actually worked through the pattern cutting approach inside the 𝗿𝗲𝗍𝗍 using our designer diagnosis feature, where members can ask me anything and receive a bespoke video response. Miriam, another member, chose fried plantain, and beyond her beautiful concept and stunning drawing style, what I loved most was that she actually went fabric shopping for this look. That is the kind of excitement the challenge creates. Catherine's work represents our January 2025 brief. Create a future-forward look, symbolizing new beginnings using avant-garde silhouettes and forward-thinking materials. I think you can tell how both the design briefs evolved alongside people's creativity. Quickfire looks at Rebecca, Faye, and Anna Marie's interpretation of the same futuristic brief, before we welcome Jeanette's work, who won this round with her playful approach to silhouette and brilliant application of all three workshop techniques in a simple but powerful way. Many participants return challenge after challenge, and it's so rewarding watching both their skills and confidence grow. Whether you use pencil and paper or digital tools, it's about creativity over execution. Deborah's submission answered our travel brief. Design a travel-ready look inspired by your dream destination and transport. I believe this was her first challenge, and the results were absolutely impressive. Shows what's possible when you dive in. Finally, I'm shamelessly the 30th designer in this lineup because I answer every brief alongside participants. I share my process, I design live, and I keep everyone inspired and supported throughout. Remember, if you join the 3-day design challenge, you can get your money back on your first month's 𝗿𝗲𝗍𝗍 membership. Plus, all members have access to our creative brief library, the complete archive of every challenge brief and workshop for endless inspiration. The challenge covers 3 high-value workshops, answering the creative brief and mood boarding, translating your ideas into fashion concepts, and my super easy scale and proportion technique to maximize your creative potential. There we have it, my friend, some of my favorite picks over the last few years from our popular design challenge. And if you would like to get involved, why not click the link down below to see what September's design brief is going to be. Let me know in the comments what your favorite design brief covered in this video was so far. And of course, if you do want to join us, Day 1 is all about researching, creating a mood board and compiling visual images. Day 2 is all about sketching your ideas, even if you don't have artistic skill. And Day 3 is about editing your work to get the most creative potential from your ideas. And you can absolutely start to apply this to your dream wardrobe. I will be there every step of the way to hold your hand to do so. So for now, my friend, let me know in the comments, what was your favorite creative brief in this video? And what do you think the creative brief might be for September? Stay safe, keep creative, and I will catch you on the flip side.